Hello everyone. Thank you for purchasing my copy of my digital CEO starter kit. So I like to guide you through the process of editing the template, as many people might not be familiar with it, okay? If you plan on reselling the template, make sure you include this video so that way it can demonstrate how to access it, you know what I'm saying, for other people. Once you receive the digital kit, you will go ahead and click edit template. I'm just going to go ahead and click on mine because yours will say that. Mine's won't anymore. You'll customize here your name. Make sure you change this name to your name. All right. You can replace my picture if you like. Move that over to the side. Just click on the picture, delete. If you want to use a picture, feel free to use a picture. Okay. I'm not tripping. You'll move that back over there. Oh, and now you see how this is a little confusing, how it'll group it and do all of that and just be a pain in the butt. And go ahead and go back there. You can click these three little dots, and right here it'll say layer. You can do show layers. It'll be all the layers where you can just pull everything to the front so you don't have to do anything. And you can reorganize it, move it around how you like to move it around. All right, so that way it's not so hard for you or confusing or anything like that. So now what you'll do, you'll continue to scroll till you get to the next page. You'll get here to how to use your kit. This is basically where you came to click on this video so you can learn how to edit your templates. Okay, so you, like I said, you can use this video and put this in your product line, or you can remake your own video if you like. Whatever you choose, this is what you can do. I have no issues with that. You'll continue to scroll down. You see how they have a how to modify your DFY guide. It gives you all the free game on what to do. You have to make sure you read and comprehend. The big part of this is reading. If you don't like to read, this is not for you, okay? Because it's a lot of reading that you would have to do. Like, I understand you thought you were going to buy something and just, resell it without having to do any work. Everything is work, okay? So go ahead and read this. You come down to your product line. Now here's where, the work starts. Digital wealth, all right? So you'll go ahead and for each link, you have to click edit template to change the fonts and the wording. So make sure you do that. So how we click here, you see where it says digital wealth tool. Here is where your link will go. Okay, we'll go ahead and click on that and look how it comes up to the digital wealth guide. All right, so in here what you'll do is you'll make sure you'll change the fonts. You play around with the fonts, play around with everything that you want to do, and change the wording if you like. You know what I mean? Like, play with it, proofread it, because nobody wants to buy something from somebody that's lazy. Okay, have misspelling words, all kind of stuff like that. Like, if you really wanted to do this, you bought this, you spent your hard-earned money. You didn't have to buy this. You spent your money so that way you can be able to learn how to process and do these type of things. So I would suggest that you go through, proofread, even though I've done it, but you might want to change how it's worded. You might want it to be more complex, more easier, however you like. Just make sure you go through and change. You might want to change the pictures. I showed you how to change all the pictures. You know what I mean? So just make sure you make it your own. Okay, just always remember to replace my name with yours for each product, because you don't want it to be where you're selling content and selling these ebooks and it has my name on it. It's going to look like you're a fraud, basically. So go ahead, even though you do have the right to resell it. But the thing about it is, like I said, you're starting your own business. You want to have your own income coming in. Why would you want somebody else's name on your product? Makes no sense, right? So what we'll do here now, since I've showed you this, we'll go ahead and hit share. You'll go ahead and see collaboration link. Make sure it says anyone with a link. So then that way, if you're reselling this to resell, you go ahead and copy this link here. So what we'll do is we'll go back here to our CEO starter kit. We'll go ahead and scroll down. We'll go back to the line. See where it says that? We'll go ahead and go to edit. This is where you will delete my link and put the link that you just got inside here. This is where your digital toolkit will go right here, okay? And you'll go ahead and click done. And that'll take you to your link again with all the things that you have created in your own link, all right? So you have to repeat this process for each link. Each link you have to click on and repeat the process, okay? Each one will have its own link. what I just showed you, that's what you would have to do. Now, after you update all the links in the PDF, so you'll go ahead and click share. Here you can also download. It'll always say PNG suggested, but you'll go ahead and go to PDF print. Some people like to print and read, on paper. A lot of people don't like to work on computers. A lot of people like to do that. So I would suggest you put PDF print and you'll go ahead and download it. Now, when you download, I suggest that you create a Google Doc account. It's easy. You get a free Google email, get a free Google Doc. That way, when you're downloading all of this paper and these templates, everything goes to just one space, okay? Everything will go to one space where it'll be easier for you to have. Always keep it open because every time you download it, it'll go right to that folder for you, so you don't have to worry about it, okay? Now, if you're working on an iPhone or iPad where the links might not function properly, just download a PDF form, okay? Because you still can get the links and it'll be a way easier access for you. Now, if you do want to diversify your sales strategy, I would consider separating all of these links into PDF forms, so that way you'll be forming like a comprehensive ebook for individual sales. So you can customize these templates to suit your preferences however you like, okay? And like I said in the beginning, you can use this video to be included in your purchase, so that way you can help others out in editing, or you can also make your own, whatever floats your boat, okay? So that's the end of this video, really, and thank you for purchasing the kit from me, and enjoy your journey to the additional income stream that you're about to receive. If you have any questions, I'm always here. You can always reach out, hit me on Instagram, email, however, but I'm always around if you need help. But yeah, basically that's just it. And this is the whole kit. It tells you everything that you need to download, everything that you need to do step by step. So if you're ready to make this money, let's get on board, baby. Thank you again.